Hello, and here are the key features of the tin roof mounting system manufactured by Kseng Metal. This product is specially designed for pitched metal roof installations. Conveniently, both framed and unframed modules can be installed with a tilt angle from 0 to 60 degrees, which allows you to be flexible on site. The main system materials are anodized aluminium 6005 alloy and galvanized SUS 304 stainless steel, highly durable and corrosion resistant. Anodized aluminium doesn't peel or chip and has an enhanced resistance to ultraviolet radiation. Galvanized steel gives outstanding resistance to mechanical damage. High quality materials and proven design guarantee operational stability and safety, as well as the ability to withstand mechanical stress and environmental impact, including wind loads of up to 216 km per hour and snow loads of up to 1.4 kilonewtons per square metre. The system's elements are designed for quick and easy installation, with a maximum possibility for customization, making our tin roof mounting system highly adjustable to various customers' requirements. Quick and hassle-free installation is ensured by an innovative and adaptable systems layout with pre-assembled components. Our experienced engineers will provide professional guidance to customers over all related aspects, including pre-sales and after-sales support and consulting. The product is shipped in carton boxes on wooden pallets using watertight belt bundle packing to ensure safe and damage-free transportation. For these, we offer 10 years warranty. System service life is at least 25 years by our estimate. Reliability and quality are always our concern. We design these according to the guidelines of various industry certifications, including SGS, TUV, Japanese JIS, Australian ASNZS, and European CE. Xiamen Kseng Metal Tech is an experienced manufacturer of solar mounting systems and related accessories, established in 2015 with an annual production capacity of up to 1.2 gigawatts. With dozens of megawatts of mounting systems installed in various world regions and conditions, including Southeast Asia, Europe, and America, allow us to offer thoroughly thought out solutions of excellent quality where every component is carefully designed. Advanced production equipment, strict quality control, and highly professional staff ensure there are no quality risks. Production process of each component is checked and rechecked all the way from the raw materials to the last production stage.